Bregna Nantara campus age swagata. The Department of Chemistry of St. Aloysius College organized pre-university intercollegiate competition on 16 August 2012.
One-day program for the pre-university students on the theme Many Faces of Chemistry was inaugurated by Dr. A.M. Kadar along with other dignitaries at Eric Matthias Hall. On this occasion, an exhibition was organized in St. Aloysius College auditorium where students from different colleges exhibited their scientific models.
This is a program started by the Department of Chemistry last year, in fact, because these days we see there is a change in the trend for the youngsters who are studying in the PU level, where more interested towards the professional courses. Variety of reasons, the awareness of the basic science in the minds of youngsters, in the minds of even the people at home, probably the reason for this decline in the interest that you have.
That is one is wind energy and one is solar. So, using solar and wind energy. So this is called as hybrid power. During daytime, we can energy throughout the day. And during daytime, we can produce energy using solar panel. Then using wind energy during daytime and also the night time.
Model making competition, and we have chosen the topic green chemistry. Green chemistry is it's basically the hot topic right now, and we have done a model over there which has been which we have shown to the judges, and this is the first time I have come to Aloysius. Actually, we are three partners together, me, Abhinaya and Shweta Padmanaya. We three have come together to Aloysius to take part in this competition, and it's been a wonderful experience coming here.
Dr. Indrani Karunasagar in her keynote address told that unseen things can be seen by a chemist.
What is so special about this subject? Before even giving a short keynote, I want to just give all my thoughts on this subject. It was mentioned that I will be talking on chemistry and life. But chemistry is life and life is chemistry. It is said an optimist, when he looks at a glass with half-filled water, the optimist says it's half full, the pessimist says it's half empty, and what does the chemist say? It's completely full with half liquid and half vapor. Now, what does this really mean? The unseen can be seen by the chemist.
66th Independence Day was celebrated with great joy at St. Aloysius College.
St. Aloysius College too had a celebration of national pride. The Dean of Arts Faculty, Mr. Ligori Mandonza, addressed the gathering. He spoke on the post and pre-independence of India and on the present corrupt political system.
Some of the patriotic songs, among them one that touches me most is "Ye Mere Watan Ke Logo, Tum Khoob Laga Lo Nara, Ye Shubh Din Hai Hum Sabka, Lehra Lo Tiranga Pyara." This was written by Ramchandra Dwivedi, and he took the pen name Pradeep later. The song was sung by Lata Mangeshkar in a big function in Delhi, which was attended by the then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, and all were in tears. And because of the tremendous influence of Jana Gana Mana and Vande Mataram, this song somehow did not get its due weight. Anyway, that is a different issue, but it looks very much suitable at the time of independence to remember this stanza of the big patriotic song.
Reverend Father Swibert de Silva, principal of St. Aloysius College, also spoke on the greatness of our country.
We are also proud of our own country and our nation. We feel good to belong to this country of ours, India. And as we celebrate its independence today, we remember the tremendous growth that it has achieved in the last 65 years. And ultimately, we remember it is the youth that transformed our nation into a nation of integrity, happiness and prosperity.
The function was celebrated by the staff, students and NCC candidates of St. Aloysius College.
Malayalam Association of St. Aloysius College conducted Onam celebration at Eric Matthias Hall on 11th August 2012.
Ajit Kumar, Kerala Samajam Secretary, Mangalore, inaugurated the function. Reverend Father Sweetbert De Silva, Principal of St. Aloysius College, spoke on the importance of Onam celebration. Various competitions like 1-minute Malayalam speech, group singing and so on took place. Cultural fusion dance comprising of dances from Kerala was performed. The students also designed a flower carpet as a part of the celebrations.
Iddu I varada campus ai, matastu campus suddi galanduye, mundina vara matte bityagana, vandenegalu.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಇದೆ.